channel. Today is day 16 of this advent calendar. They haven't been good. We've had a couple good days. I think yesterday or day before yesterday, can't remember. One of them was good. We've had so many, you know, that I'm just at this point ready to get them over with.
Yeah.
But
2 days until we cruise. We leave tomorrow.
Yep. We all took our test today, waiting to get the results back. And hopefully tomorrow we'll be saying everybody's negative.
Yep.
So let's go. Let's see what
any cruise topics to talk about today.
I don't know. Just 2 days. One tip: 2 days before you ship out.
We can talk about packing. Like, are you packed yet?
Just make sure. Well, I mean, at this point, I'm not nervous, but just waiting on these 2-day, COVID results. And yes, they give you your money back if you come back positive, or they'll give you future onboard credit.
Yeah, or FCC, which is a future cruise credit.
Yeah. So, it's just that. I don't know why they want to wait 2 days. I know because what if you get test positive? Get it the next day. But
they say symptoms don't start showing up until 5 days after exposure anyway. So
yeah. So by the time that's too late. So, but anyway, let's get this bottle. Our thing really is we are waiting on this COVID test result. So, are you packed?
Yeah, I actually finished packing on Wednesday, so.
Almost. I still gotta put some stuff, because, we're flying out. I gotta take that thing and put it, Mr. Mr. Santa Claus, and put it in a different bag so I can, fly with it. But, other than that, just ready.
FYI, this wine is from 2020, and it is not that sweet.
Oh, okay. Well.
And today's is a California Sauvignon Blanc.
Okay.
Blanc. And it says it's okay to drink white wine after Labor Day.
Okay.
I guess after a day of work.
But if we go anywhere when we're in Amber Cove, you should stop and get them to polish that.
Oh, my ring? Yeah, both of them.
That's good. Here, because what the smell in the bottle does not taste like the smell in this glass. It smells okay, and we kept this in the utility room. Kayla took it out to wash clothes,
cool.
But so it's kind of cold.
It actually wasn't that cold last night though. It was like
windy. Cold outside. Yeah.
Yeah, it was kind of warmer than usual.
So let's get the tasting.
Cheers to day 16 and negative COVID results.
It gotta be me. Oh, well, maybe not.
It's not you. 0 out of 10.
Yeah.
Not really.
I'm pretty sure people are like, why are you torturing yourself? But, I paid for it.
I'm just ready for the second rosé. Like, where is that one at? You only get 2 out of 24 bottles.
I know. Watch it be on the 25th.
Let's look at these food pairings. So it says lemon tart, not too sweet, goat cheese and sun-dried tomatoes on crackers, white pizza with chicken and garlic, scallion pancakes, tomato soup, oily fish such as sardines and mackerel. So let's see.
Yeah, fish.
Yeah. It's from California, so I don't think I'd ever get some wine from California.
Yeah, whatever that name brand is.
Yeah, it doesn't have the.
It says some California thing.
It says Flying Blue. I don't know. But yeah, that was day 16.
Yeah, it's a quick one because we
leave tomorrow.
Yes, we leave tomorrow, so I ain't trying to be vlogging.
Yeah, well, we're gonna vlog our travel day, like traveling to the airport. So when we get to Florida,
Yeah, so you may see a bunch of shorts between now and the time we leave. Yeah, so we'll, just automatically just upload them to YouTube. Might not be no editing. You might see us fussing. You might see people attitudes. But anyway, we going on a cruise.
Why did you say all of that?
Because we're going on a cruise, and everybody knows just because you're going on a cruise is not a happy thing. If just because you're on vacation is not a happy thing. Cruising can be stressful itself. Vacationing is stressful itself. If you agree, let me know. Because even though you don't have to cook, clean, and all that other stuff.
Vacation for your vacation.
Yeah, even though you don't have to cook, clean, and all that other stuff, you gotta get up. They tell you gotta be a certain place. Sometimes if you want to, don't do no excursions. You can do like that.
I think we already told them we're going to Nassau to the Grand Turks.
Yeah, that was the update for yesterday. But yesterday. But if you want to try to plan a cruise like that, do no excursions. Just get up, just chill. You can do that. Walk around. Don't you can do trivia at your leisure. You ain't got to be there at a certain time. Because you're not trying to win that ship on stick and all this other stuff. You're just trying to join in. But yeah, you can do that. I mean, I could try that, but
Yeah, I agree.
So till then, happy sailing.
Yep.